Yamaha Yzr-M1 V4 launched. The end of the inline-4 era. A new reign begins in MotoGP. After more than 2 decades of loyalty to the inline-4 configuration, Yamaha has officially closed one chapter and opened a new one with the launch of the Yzr-M1 V4. This next-generation MotoGP machine symbolizes a major, technical transformation and the bold ambitions of the tuning fork brand. The launch was held at Yamaha Racing's headquarters in Iwata, Japan, just ahead of the 2025 MotoGP season opener. Since its first debut in 2002, the Yzr-M1 has become a Yamaha icon in MotoGP. The bike has carried legends such as Valentino Rossi, Jorge Lorenzo, and Fabio Quartararo to world championship titles. However, amid fierce competition and the dominance of V4 engines from Ducati, Honda, and Aprilia, Yamaha's inline-4 M1 began to fall behind, especially in acceleration and top speed on straights. To respond to this challenge, Yamaha has completely redesigned the M1 platform. The result is the Yzr-M1 V4, a 1000cc V4-powered machine developed entirely from scratch, incorporating decades of racing experience. This new engine uses a 90-degree V-angle, offering natural balance between power, stability, and space efficiency. With more than 250 horsepower, the Yzr-M1 V4 is capable of challenging, and even surpassing, the fastest bikes on the grid. The latest seamless gearbox and electronic quickshifter enable uninterrupted gear changes, while the 5th-generation ride-by-wire system ensures ultra-precise throttle response. Beyond the engine, the Yzr-M1's twin-spar aluminum chassis is also completely new. Yamaha has designed it to be stiffer under braking, yet more flexible through fast corners. Aerodynamically, new winglets, developed through CFD simulations and wind tunnel testing, provide increased downforce without compromising top speed. The Yzr-M1 V4 is equipped with a Magneti Marelli ECU, and a suite of electronic systems including traction control, anti-wheelie, and engine brake control, now optimized with AI-powered race data analysis. All of this is aimed at delivering maximum control, without sacrificing the engine's aggressive nature. Yamaha's lead rider, Fabio Quartararo, stated, "This engine is brutal, yet intelligent. This isn't just a configuration change, it's a change in philosophy." With its radical design and promising performance, the Yzr-M1 V4 is set to become the spearhead of Yamaha's MotoGP resurgence. After more than 20 years, Yamaha has finally moved on from its inline-4 legacy, choosing a V4 as the key to its future. And if it performs as expected, the Yzr-M1 V4 is not just a new bike, it's a new chapter in Yamaha's racing history. What's next? Stay tuned for the latest updates, only on Moto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so we can continue to grow this channel together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.